From your dashboard, select the Fee Stream tab on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you can see the list of groups that are currently created in your system. To add a new group, simply select Add Group at the bottom of the list and enter the details for the group you'd like to create. We're going to call this one the test group. You can add a description or select an individual color if you would like, however, this is not required. For the purposes of today's tutorial, I will select the color red so that you can clearly see the group that I've created. When I select Save, you can see the green notation that my group has successfully been created. If I navigate back to the Fee Stream tab on the left-hand side, I can now see that my group, Test Group, has been added to the right-hand side in our list. If you'd like to edit or delete a group, simply select the group. From here, you can edit the information and select to save, or you can select to delete altogether. I can see my green notation told me that the group was deleted successfully and is no longer listed on the right-hand side of my screen. This is how you create, edit, or delete a group on TuitionEP.